Hello my friends, welcome to the Manu Education. My name is Surya sir and today we'll discuss about the best career option for the ladies, for the girls, for the women. So जब भी हम करियर के बारे में कुछ सोचते हैं डेफिनेटली हम काफ़ी चिंता करते हैं राइट मोर और लेस वी आर कंफ्यूज्ड विच पर्टिकुलर पाथ टू बी चूज राइट करियर के बारे में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं फिर भी हम कंफ्यूज है वाई एंड बीइंग अ गर्ल स्टूडेंट डेफिनेटली देर आर वेरियस बैरियर्स सच एज द फर्स्ट वन करियर इंटरेस्ट टू बिकम एनी वन राइट आपके पास करियर ऑप्शंस बहुत है आपके पास इंटरेस्ट है बट क्या आपके पास वो फैमिली सपोर्ट है एज दैट ऑफ बॉयज आर गेटिंग जितने बॉयज को मिल रहा है क्या आपको वो फैमिली सपोर्ट मिल रहा है ऑब्वियसली गाइज यस मिलने वाला है बट व्हेन यू विल बी डिटर्मिनेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू योर करियर आपके करियर के गोल्स आपने बताने चाहिए गाइज आपके सामने होने चाहिए मौजूद होने चाहिए यस आई वांट टू बिकम डॉक्टर आई वांट टू बिकम इंजीनियर आई वांट टू बिकम टीचर लॉयर एंड एक्सेट्रा बस फैमिली जरूर सपोर्ट करेगी गाइज एंड फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर बैरियर द बिगेस्ट बैरियर द मैरिज ओके मैरिज हो गई शादी हो जाने वाली है या होने वाली है क्या करें एंड पोस्ट मैरिज क्या आप अपने ड्रीम को वापस अचीव कर सकते हैं यहाँ तक आपके पास एक करियर एक ड्रीम था राइट फैमिली ने सपोर्ट किया काफ़ी ठीक है वो ड्रीम के पास आप आगे बढ़ते गए एंड आफ्टर मैरिज व्हाट एल्स कंप्लीट कोलैप्स और या फिर आप वापस बढ़ते जा रहे हो and why because you have a lot of responsibilities on your future so make it strong you are the right candidate who will decide about your career and that is nothing but you जब तक आप अपने करियर के बारे में नहीं सोचोगे rest no one will come for the advice dear if you need a proper guidance a proper mentorship search for the motivation first make a strong determination बस आपको करियर में कुछ करके दिखाना ही है then look for the guidance and the mentors where we'll tell you in detail about that. So forget about all these barriers and let's talk about the education. क्या होना चाहिए education? So very first one, if you are a girl, a woman, a ladies, you should be remember first thing, the most important line that is nothing but the mulki shikli ani pragati zali. Why it is for ladies only? Why not for boys? Because you are the capable one, you can become anyone. बस आपको career decide करना है dear. These are the greatest line. Mulki Shikli Pragati Zali. Why? Because you can change. You have that adaptability to change. So change your career path and change your life. And that's why you should be aware about the proper career path, the proper options. So which is the best option? And that is nothing but to become a teacher. So my friends, if you will become a teacher, डेफिनेटली आपके पास करियर ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे आने वाले हैं लाइक यू कैन टीच एट प्ले ग्रुप प्री प्राइमरी प्राइमरी स्कूल सेकेंडरी स्कूल हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल और इवन एट द कॉलेजेस एंड द इंस्टीट्यूट्स और इन द यूनिवर्सिटीज बस करियर पाथ आपको डिसाइड करना है इवन यू आर एट द एज ऑफ 22 to 25 इवन यू आर इन योर 30s or the 40s or even you are a married one having children dear your duty at home being a mother is the same as your duty to become a teacher at the school. You will be mother here, you will be mother at home. So don't worry about the career path. B.Ed, the Bachelor of Education, will give you a proper path to become a teacher at all these respective fields. So remember these lines. मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली आणि हा ह्यांना फक्त चान्स देऊन बघा डेफिनेटली प्रत्येक मोठ्या पायदांवर तीच असणार का कारण मुलगी शिकली आणि प्रगती झाली Yes dear, if you will learn, whole world will learn. So which is the best option? So how you can become a teacher? By giving Maharashtra B.Ed CET exam. So Maharashtra B.Ed CET is nothing but conducted by the CET cell and where you can pursue the Bachelor of Education from the Maharashtra based institutes. So there are more than 450 institutes in the Maharashtra who offer you Bachelor of Education, the general one or the ELCT one. The ELCT is nothing but with respect to the English language. So colleges, their learning method will be in the English. Okay, in the English language and the B.Ed general. So you will get your Bachelor of Education in different languages such as you can pursue it in Hindi, in Marathi, in Urdu or in the English. So guys, आपको प्रॉब्लम है with respect to any particular language, चाहे वो English हो, उर्दू हो, मराठी हो तो आप हिंदी में कर सकते हो इवन यू कैन प्रेफर मराठी वन उर्दू वन और द इंग्लिश वन so lot more institutes are there and that's why each and every girl says me who is preparing for the Maharashtra B.Ed CET only one thing yes career set hai because there are lot of institutes such as the BTTC, Xavier, Surajbagh Gandhi, ACCR, and lot more institutes are there who offer the Bachelor of Education program in your respective language and where you are finding various career opportunities. So to become a teacher, you have to prepare for the Maharashtra B.Ed CET. And yes guys, if you are finding any difficulties in the preparation, don't worry at all guys. At Maneuver, you will get everything. You will learn about the mental ability part, the GK part, and even the teacher aptitude part. And guys, one more video will come with respect to the Maharashtra B.Ed CET, the motivation for all ladies and girls. One of our students got the dream college and we'll discuss about that topper in our next video. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel to get the regular updates with respect to the Maharashtra B.Ed CET. And don't forget, if you are a girl or woman at 30s or 40s, or even if you are a working professional, the B.Ed is the right path for you. So let's start preparation with the Maneuver. We already launched the batches, so get live interaction, receive books at your doorstep, learn various shortcut tricks with respect to the mental ability part, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests, WhatsApp group where you can share your overall doubts, 10,000 plus questions, lot of data for the practice purpose, and the mentorship where you will get complete guidance with respect to the Maharashtra B.Ed CET, even the cap round and the motivation too. So guys, wanna preparation for 2022 and 2023? Book your seat right now. Call on 8828581455 or visit our website maneuver.com/B.Ed entrance. We already started the classroom coaching at Mumbai. So if you are Mumbai based, call on respective numbers and book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar Center. For Pan India students, you can interact live with us. For online programs, call on 8828581455. For all exam updates and notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all from today's video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and do share to all of your friends. So that's all from today's video. All the best for your preparation. See you on the next one.